Hey everybody, Hunter Fisher, Trapper, Trader, Guide, Scout, and Interpreter, and just a country cook, Steve Hall, here in Nashville, Tennessee, along with pretty Miss Sheila running that camera. Hi, Sheila.
Hi.
A guy sent me a recipe request to shotgunredcompany@yahoo.com. That's where you send your request to. And he wanted me to make KFC Coleslaw. Well, we go up to KFC all the time, and I love KFC Coleslaw just like you guys do. But there's so many different recipes out there, but I tweaked and tweaked and tweaked and came up with the most simple, easy to make, and almost exact flavor, if not exact flavor, of KFC Coleslaw. Come on over here and I'll show you how to make it. All right, we're going to start out with a half a cup of mayonnaise, or just a little more than a half a cup if you're like me and you like it kind of sloppy when you eat your coleslaw. All right, get that in there. And we're going to put in 5 tablespoons of sugar, if you can believe that. 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And in this little dish right here, all you have to remember is half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of onion powder. And of course, I'll put all the ingredients in the description box below. I will not make you go to a website to get the recipe. You can just look in the description box below. We're going to stir this together real good. And once we get this mixed up real good, we're going to pop this in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours to let all these flavors incorporate. And it's just that simple. It'll taste exactly like KFC Coleslaw. Now, if you want the exact texture of KFC, take a food processor and chop up your cabbage, about 3 cups, and a whole carrot. Chop it up too and put it in. So you got about 3 to 3.5 cups of that real fine chopped cabbage and carrots. I'm just using the stuff out of the bag because I wanted to show you the mixture mostly that gives it the flavor. So I'm not going to run it through the food processor. But that's what you need to do, get it real fine. And that way you've got about 3.5 cups of cabbage and carrots mixed up. Again, this is just store-bought, so it's not as fine, chopped up real fine like KFC. But here, out of the refrigerator for about 4 hours, is that mixture that we made earlier with our half a cup or a little over half a cup of mayonnaise, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and a half a teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of pepper. And you mix that in here. And if you want that flavor of KFC exactly like it tastes when you go up there to the store, trust me, this is the flavor. And again, if you chop it up real super fine, then it looks exactly like KFC Coleslaw. But I didn't get my food processor out. I should have done that probably, but this is the flavor you're looking for right here. Trust me. And there you have it. For the guy that sent in the request for the KFC Coleslaw, this is for you. And of course, for the rest of our subscribers, we got some dirty dishes laying around here, but the main thing in this dish right here, we have KFC Coleslaw. Now, don't forget to run that bag store-bought stuff through your food processor. Get it chopped up real fine, because that's what they serve. But this tastes exactly like it. Just give it a try and see if I'm wrong, or if I'm right. Hope you subscribe to our channel. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit when you click on it and subscribe. Next to the subscribe is a little bell. Click on that, hit all, and save. Then you'll get all of our recipes. Over here, we're going to pop up another recipe that we hope you enjoy. But is this the best KFC copy coleslaw you ever ate? If it ain't, it ought to be. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Thanks for your help, Sheila.
You're welcome.
All right, see you next time, folks.